Hello guys, it's me Alex. In this video we're going to celebrate 1000 and I decided to do something cool. My brain honestly cannot comprehend such big number. By this point we have 1470 subscribers. I honestly cannot imagine this amount of people and I decided somehow to visualize it. That's why you see Age of Empires on your screen with constantly coming soldiers. This is how I try to see it. What is it? I try to visualize 1470 people as an army. And of course, once we've got the army of this amount, I will smash this easy AI who has no idea what is coming. And while it's happening, I want to give you words of my gratitude and also I got a gift for you. Something real, something that can be useful to you. In the end of the day, without you, I'm nothing. You know, I was thinking about it. How can I thank you? And I guess the least I can do is to give you my game development course. It's a project that I worked really hard on. I hope it can help you on your own game development journey. But before I tell you how to get it, let me tell you something. And what I'm about to say is something real, something that comes from my heart, right? So, yeah, get ready. You know, I'm just a guy. I'm 29 years old, I don't have a fancy setup, I play video games, I watch anime, I enjoy life as much as I can. I love my girlfriend, I love my dog, and I just decided to create a channel one day. And the reason I'm telling you all of this is just to say again that I am just a guy, and without you, I'm nothing. You built me, you built this channel, even if you did something simple, like left a comment, use the like button, especially comments, really helps to push my videos out there. And it's probably not a big deal for you, but for me, I'm just happy every time it happens. If someone would told me, hey Alex, you'll be a YouTuber with more than 1000 subs, I don't know if I would believe it. So yeah, thank you man, thank you to you all, for real. I'll try hard to make more content, I hope you'll like it, and let's make a goal of 10,000 subs by the end of the year, who knows? I guess we can do that. And also, I finally got a website, and that's the place you can get a free course. That's the gift I was talking about. At the moment, I have only 100 redemptions available, but if they run out, I'll make another 100. Until I make a completely free course for complete beginners, just so I have a reason to keep this beautiful button at the website. By the way, my friend made it for me, so if you need a website, let him know, I'll leave link in the description. Oh my god, look how many soldiers we have, that's crazy. Even by seeing them all, it's difficult for my brain to comprehend how many subs we've got now. That's crazy. Well, thank you for being with me. Leave your comment below, let me know maybe how many subs I had when you subscribed, if for some reason this information is still in your head. And remember, we don't play games, we make them.